It looks like everybody's breaking into another bale of hay. You sillies. Let's walk up there and see. Here's Dagny. Hi, Dagny. You going to investigate? Let's go see. As you can see, Dagny still has just that little limp from when she was injured after giving birth and needing to go to the hospital. Hi Belvedere. Hi Buckley. Hi Kaylee. Hi Anastasia. Good morning. Merry Christmas Eve. We're just checking in on all the animals. There's Howard. And again, we could find clean water, although this is clean water. You just drink the runoff. So this is the extra water from the cow's water, which is just continually dripping so that it doesn't freeze, and then it comes out here and heads kind of down toward the garden.